In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your website on GoDaddy in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's content, update your contact information, or give your online presence a whole new look, this guide has got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access the GoDaddy dashboard, which is the control center for all your GoDaddy services, including your domains, hosting, and of course your website. To get started, head over to the GoDaddy website. Once there, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. This is your gateway to all the changes you're looking to make. Now that you've initiated the sign-in process, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. This is pretty standard procedure, but an essential step. If by chance you've forgotten your credentials, don't worry. There's usually a forgot password or trouble signing in link nearby that can assist you in recovering your account. Once you've typed in your username and password correctly, go ahead and click on the Sign In button to proceed. Jumping ahead, upon successfully signing into your account, you'll be greeted with the GoDaddy dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Now, look for the drop-down menu on the left panel of your screen. This menu is sort of a navigation bar that helps you find your way around the various sections of your GoDaddy account. Clicking on this drop-down will reveal a list of options. What we're interested in today is finding and selecting your website from this list. This may involve a bit of scrolling, especially if you handle multiple products or services through GoDaddy. Do not hasten through this. Ensuring you select the correct website is crucial to apply the changes where you intend to. Once you've identified and clicked on your desired website, you'll be led into the specific dashboard for that site. This specialized area allows you deeper control over your site's content, design, settings, and more. Here you can unleash your creativity and start making the changes you desire. Whether it's updating text, adding new pages, or changing the theme of your site to better match your brand, this is where it all happens. Let's pause here for a moment. Remember that making changes to your website is a powerful action. Small tweaks can sometimes lead to big impacts on how your visitors perceive your site, so take your time to plan out the changes you wish to implement. If you're working on textual content, it might be helpful to draft it out in a word processor first. If it's images or graphics you're updating, ensure they're optimized for the web to keep your site loading quickly. Another tip before you proceed: consider previewing your changes before making them live. Most web builders, including the one provided by GoDaddy, offer a way to see your edits in real time without affecting what the public sees. This feature is invaluable as it gives you a sandbox to experiment in, ensuring that only your best changes make it to your live site. And there you have it. That's the essence of how to change your website on GoDaddy. Of course, the specific steps once inside your website's dashboard will vary depending on the nature of the changes you're making. Whether it's sprucing up the homepage, adding new sections, or updating contact information, the process involves selecting the area you wish to modify, making your edits, and saving those changes. In closing, I encourage you to explore all the features and functionalities GoDaddy offers for your website. Experimenting with different layouts, styles, and content types can yield exciting discoveries, potentially transforming your website into an even more engaging experience for your visitors. Remember, your website is often the first impression people have of you or your business online, making it worth the time and effort to refine. That's all for this guide. I hope you found these instructions helpful and are now feeling more confident about making those desired changes to your website on GoDaddy. If you have questions, tips, or just want to share your experience with updating your site, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy editing, and here's to a website that perfectly reflects you or your business.